Hi, I'm Anthony with AmeriClean. Today I want to talk to you about a common problem we see on commercial HVAC cleaning projects. It's the breaking down of fiberglass insulation within the ductwork. A lot of times we will get called to a property because the tenant will be having little black particles falling out of the supply ducts and landing on their desks or their papers. When they go to move them, they smear in their fingers, and that's how we typically know it's the fiberglass insulation inside the ductwork that is breaking down and causing the problem. Thankfully for our customers and yours, we have a solution to this problem. It's the application of RE500 by Hardcast. RE500 is a water-based latex interior insulation encapsulant. There's several key benefits to using RE500 on a duct encapsulation project. One, it's LEED compliant. It also has very low VOCs, which means we're able to apply RE500 when the office staff goes home at night, and by the time they return in the morning, there's virtually no odor. It's also NSF certified, and we can apply either white or a black finish. Another benefit of RE500 is it resists microbial growth. Once we apply RE500 to the interior of the supply side, the odds of there being microbial growth down the road is very limited. It's a semi-gloss finish which provides a slick, non-stick surface, and it inhibits dust accumulation. If you have a commercial HVAC project that has interior fiberglass insulation breaking down and you need a cost-affordable solution, give us a call. We'll be more than happy to help.